This video it's about my topic. Let me check if I'm right. Okay, this topic it's about designing, defining, and changing CSS3 animation without custom libraries. Um, Here is the HTML codes that I wrote for my topic. So it's a simple HTML file, and yes, and you can see I have a header. I have a H1. So it's a example of CSS animations, and I have a link when we go to the page to click, and that link will send you back to the topics page. And here, this is the link that link with my CSS file. Okay, and this is my CSS file for the CSS animations, and I have the body display the flags, the text are centered, okay, justified, and the font family is monopace, okay, and the background, I set the background to green, so you can change all of that. And what else? I have my head one, okay, and my link, I set it to right. And what else? It's a simple CSS file. So this is my head too, okay. And one of the best thing, one of the things we use to do the animation is the keyframes. So this one is by typing text, okay. So I will show you what it is in a couple of minutes. So because the text that I want is 25 24 length, that's why I put the wave, it's start from 0 to 24, and then that's all. Let's show you exactly. This is my home page for this class, and when I click on the CID 261 class link, and this is the topic, CSS3 animation without custom libraries. If I click on it, and you will see the example of CSS animations. So it's a sample of an animation, and if you want to go back to the topic, just click here, and we will go back here. So okay, thank you guys for watching, and bye.